FIT55 are the new Palazzoli luminaries for street lighting. Very high lighting performances, high mechanical standards, and a great reliability over time meet the design needs of lighting professionals and optimize the installer's work. Available in two versions, small and medium, for the best lighting of main and secondary roads, expressways, motorways, roundabouts, and parking lots. Made of die-cast aluminum treated with passivation and painted with polyester powders, it can also illuminate environments with pollution and coastal areas with high humidity. In addition, the smooth and rounded surface eliminates the accumulation of water, dust, and dirt, which is harmful to the thermal balance. The device is designed for the installation of NEMA or Zaga socket to centrally monitor and manage public lighting through wireless control. The vent valve ensures the right pressure inside the lighting body, extending the life of the components. The fastening system for quick installation allows direct installation on cylindrical pole with a diameter from 42 to 76 millimeters. The pole connection can be adjusted from -5 degrees to +20 degrees for pole top applications and from -20 degrees to +5 degrees for outreach applications. The 4 millimeter thick tempered glass diffuser guarantees excellent resistance to impact and thermal shock. Its transparency guarantees an optical efficiency of 95%. The 99.9% pure aluminum reflector with silver coating offers high photometric efficiency, unalterable over time, and perfect glare control. An aluminum front hook allows access to internal components without any tools. The safety of the intervention is guaranteed by the disconnector, which interrupts the electrical connection when the lighting body is opened. An anti-fall system prevents accidental closure of the cover. A silicone gasket seals the cover and frame. All FIT55 products have a 10 kV kilovolt protection device inside against voltage overloads and short circuits. The optical and electronic components are fixed on the cover, and in case of replacement, a simple takeoff maneuver allows the update without the use of tools. FOS FIT55 optical system is the Palazzoli solution that allows the adjustment of the optics up to 5 positions, even with the product already installed. This allows you to improve uniformity or adapt the optics if the luminous flux illuminates off the road. FIT55 can easily integrate sensors and control systems, both at the time of first installation and afterwards. Various control options allow you to create a pleasant environment during the night, minimize light pollution, and maximize energy savings, as well as monitor the lighting system by acquiring data. Thanks to the different types of regulation, the options for programming the systems are almost infinite. With FIT55, you get savings of up to 80% compared to traditional street luminaries, reduction of maintenance cost, and increased road safety by improving visual perception for much safer roads. The tested efficiency of FIT55 reaches 166 lumen watts for 150,000 hours. With FIT55, the power becomes light.